Get out of here.
What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Mr. 75 Pete back with another video. Back out here working on the truck again. Today we're gonna try to get the rest of this harness down out of the truck. I had to come out here and take care of some waltzes right quick. They had made a nest over in one of these old truck tires. But you come on, I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do today. It's basically gonna be the part 2 of the wiring video. But come on in. Today we basically gonna be pulling out, trying to get the rest of this harness out so I can redo it, and I'm probably gonna try to pull down some of these outlines too. I'm not 100%, but the main goal is to get this old harness out so we can use it to kind of make our new one. But that's the goal for today, and then we're gonna try to take the one from up under the hood too. But yeah, come on, just go ahead and get this hood popped right quick. Oh. I got a tie strap to keep the hood from falling because it ain't got no chain on it. Oh, it ain't going like that. You see, last time I moved it, my strap got caught on my tire, but it's tight, it ain't going nowhere. So, all right, we're gonna go ahead and see what we need to do. Go back on this side. Try to start tearing into this harness. We got to get this engine harness off of here too. I mean, not engine harness, the hood harness out, so we can see, I can figure out how I'm gonna redo all that as well. But today I'm gonna try to get back started on trying to get the rest of this harness out. I probably need to start in the back and do it, but I was trying to start this way so I can kind of, as I work my way back, I can kind of label where everything go. But yeah. Well, I'm gonna figure out how I'm gonna do this, and I'll be right back. Alright, YouTube, we got one of the harness out. This is the harness that was running up to the panel where I was showing y'all last time, where a lot of that stuff was getting burned up and stuff back in here. But this, like I said, this is part of the hood harness. So what I'm gonna do, I'm taking sit this aside. I'm probably gonna put me a label on it, and I'm gonna go up here to the front. Since I got this one off first, I'm probably gonna go ahead and pull the harness out of the hood that go to the lights and everything. That way we can kind of we can see where everything going. And like I said, I'm gonna use this pretty much as a template, pretty much, to when I get ready to redo it, when I make mine from scratch. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna get back to it. I got to, let me see what I need. Yeah, I got some clamps in here, so yeah, guys, I'm gonna keep at it, and I'll be right back. All right, guys. So my wife decided to come out here and help me today. So I got her. She in charge of the impact. So I'm gonna see. We're about to see what she got. So I'm gonna come up. I guess I get the bottom bolt. Should be a half inch. Go ahead. Hit it. Just hit it.
I'm trying to. Wasn't I doing anything?
You probably pushed the button. Oh, let me see. Let me see.
What did I do wrong?
You had a button first. Hold on. Let me see. I tell you when. Go ahead. Keep going. Is it out?
How do I know when
Pull it off. Let's see how she did.
No, not off yet.
Let me see. Did it?
It moved though.
Yeah, you're gonna have to let it hit. Hold on. Let me put the wrench back on it.
You ready?
Hold on. Go ahead. Keep going till it come all the way off. You tightening up.
Well,
push the button the other way.
What button?
The black button. What I push.
Do it the other way?
Yeah, go ahead. Is it? I can't see which way you're going. Do it again. Alright. No, go back. You was going the right way.
Okay.
I can't tell which boat you. Oh, you on this one. That's my fault. You doing good. I was on the wrong boat.
Oh.
Go ahead.
There we go.
Alright, should be off. Just pick it up. There you go.
There you go.
Alright guys, she did good on that one. We got one on the other side too. You got that one? Oh well, I got you got the nut, it's still in there.
No.
It might be still in there. Look. Oh well, leave it right there, it's fine. Yeah. Alright. Let me get you in here. You gotta be careful on this side. Let me see it. See, get out. See that I need to push it up. So, yeah. Oh, the nut fell out, guy.
Over there?
Yeah, I got it. All right. Guys, I don't know how y'all can see, but I'm trying. I got it on there.
Okay, I'm coming.
Yeah. All right.
Okay.
You got it?
Yeah.
Let me put a wrench on. Oh, I dropped the other nut. Go ahead.
Okay.
Hold on. Go ahead. Let it run. You should be off. All right. You did good. What you think?
That's fine.
You on video?
Hmm.
Well, what y'all think, guys? Y'all think I should recruit her for the team or not?
If he doesn't recruit me, I'm for hire.
But yeah, we doing pulling these out so I can get the rest of this engine harness out. I like to go over there and cut those wires off on that light right quick. Yeah, so I'm gonna pass you. I'm gonna get her back to camera. All right. There we go. Oh.
Trying to get my ankles in here.
Oh, you good? You good right here? Yeah, guys, I'm just cutting this stuff because, like I said, I'm replacing everything. So a lot of this stuff just ran in here all kind of crazy anyway. To be honest with you, I'm gonna have to snatch a whole lot of this out. Like I've said multiple times, guys, I'm surprised they ain't. We lucky this truck's still here. That was the airline for those horns on the side. Got one more ground wire on that side, and we should have the harness out. So we're gonna have to remember to put a couple more. Well, no, we don't. No, these for the ones in the front. Okay. We're just gonna have to remember to run a wire there for the front light. But I don't know if I'm gonna put lights back in there. So as we'll see. Oh. Seems like this one got them in there for the other side. Yeah, that's the rest of that hood harness. So, all right, we got that down. We got to go get to the rest of it. So I'll be right back. All right, guys, this is I believe it's the engine harness. One of the top main power cables. Like I said, we got to make our own engine harness for it because this is a different engine. So this is the one from the old, like I said, that pretty much ran that B model, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, like I said, I don't think we're gonna need this one. So we're gonna have to make a whole nother custom harness because, like I said, this is an electronic engine. So we're gonna have to make a whole nother engine harness going in the inside of the cab and everything. So we definitely ain't gonna, I don't think I need to, I mean, I'll probably keep it, but I don't think I need to make no, take note of it to make the new one. But like I said, I'm gonna keep it just in case. But yeah, that's another one out, guys. I think the only one I got left, hopefully y'all can hear me over the lawnmowers, but I think the only one I got left might be the one that run all the way to the back with the lights. That's the one that I definitely want to get out because that's the one I need. I don't know if you can see it up here because I already pulled it down, but yeah, I think that's gonna be about it. So yeah, I'm gonna keep on going on it, guys. But it's a part of it right here. So it goes all the way to the back. Kind of dusty in there, but yeah, we're gonna get that out. We're gonna get it out now, actually. Yeah. All right. Got that out. I believe this. Oh, this is our horn right here. I was trying to figure out what it was going running to. This is our horn. They just go right here and plugs in right here. Like that. Pull it down. There we go. Yeah. We're gonna keep on going all the way to the back of the truck. We got to go all the way down the side, all the way down the frame to the back of the truck to get that last one out. And while I'm under there, like I said, I'm probably gonna start pulling down some airlines because while I got everything towed down, I might as well change the redo the airlines. I already got the airline. I've been had it, but I hadn't put it on. I just fixed the stuff that needed to be fixed when I first got it to try to move the truck around. But since I got it tore down, I might as well just go ahead and do it while I'm in there. Like I said, I'm gonna get everything taken down and pulled out the way because I'm also gonna be painting the frame soon. This frame was silver at some point. Looked like that red over the silver, so I'm not mistaken. Unless that was just the parts color, but that ain't a bad silver color though. Don't look like raw metal. But yeah. Alright guys, I'm gonna keep going at it. I gotta crawl back up under the truck, so when I get a little farther, I'm gonna turn you back on.
It was good where you had it. Okay.
Kings. There's so much going through this little bracket right here.
Okay guys, we're trying to get the rest of the harness out. Apparently it's been quite a few zip ties and this bracket's giving a fit, but we're making progress.
Go on the other side. Might cut the end off of it. Gonna get caught up under those other hoses. Oh yeah, I'm over at the back. snip these connectors off the end, because they're gonna, no, they ain't gonna wanna go through there. They ain't gonna need none of that. Anyway, so I got to redo this. Guys, I don't know what y'all can see. Hopefully you can see a little bit. Getting dark on us. Oh, there we go.
All right, there we go.
On to the next spot. I don't know what that's going to. All right, YouTube. So I think that's about wrap it up today. We got it about, we up under the fifth wheel. Right now it's a tougher spot because I got to cut the clamps and stuff up under the fifth wheel, but we got it most of the way out. I'll probably come back out here and probably finish it one day this week. Yeah, so I can, like I said, I can use this kind of to mark up the next harness that's gonna go back in there. So that's right there for tonight. But like I said, the only thing left is, like I said, the few clamps up under the fifth wheel, and the brackets on the frame that's holding it. Hopefully it ain't none under there, but I'm not sure. It's got dark on me. So we almost to the very back. Like I said, we almost back to the lights. So we about got it out. I might cut it off and start working the other way and just snatch it out of there. I don't know yet, but yeah, guys, that's gonna wrap up this video. I hope y'all enjoyed. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Mr. 75 Pete signing out.